There I'm live. Am I? Hava. One viewer waiting. Okay. All right. Great. What's up, guys? If there is anybody, there is one person. What's up? Two concurrent viewers. Oh my god. Anyway, so last time I forgot what we did. Get status. Oops. Get log. Added a sign-in link. Added a way for users to. Okay. App configuration. Yes. Last time we built app configuration, and I think the site title, the nav bar, and everything we were controlling through that app configuration. Today let's build upon that. Let's actually use that app configuration and allow the user to make sort of some changes to that configuration so that they can customize the look and feel of their site, I suppose. So starting the Rails server and Webpack server. If you are like if you're like watching, please leave something in the chat so that I know who you are, and it makes me happy, very happy. Okay. Localhost port 4000. What's your email? Very good. Let's just sign in first. Okay, nobody's still there. Oops. Rook. Arey baba rook. Oh my darling, give me a look. Great. Articles, yes. So these are the articles that we have. I think we should add those in routes as well, right? Why should I always have to type that out? So first what I'll do is sorry, navbar. The first that I'll do is, if user is signed in, we should have a nav item which is basically link to articles, and then this is articles path with the class nav link. Everything works fine, and there's the articles route. Great, we can open the articles, and good. The next thing I think that we need to do is add a configuration thing stuff over here. So in the route, let me just see that do I have configuration right now. No, I don't see it. And even in the I have an admin controller, so maybe that is what I should look at. And in that scenario, in that case, I should have a nav item, which sort of opens the admin area, admin path, not up path, with the class. I'm just gonna silence my phone. Nav link. Great. Yeah, so we have the admin area as well, and where we can see the app config. So right now what we see is that there's just one defined value, and then it has a value, and then there's a data type and whatnot, correct? So instead of that, what I need to do is sort of build like an edit button, I guess, nothing else. So what I'll do is I'll go to admin index file, and then in here I'll have the th, and then I won't add anything over there because it's going to be an action. And then over here in the row, what I'll do is I'll add an edit button which will be link to edit, and then what this thing will link to is nothing for now. Then we'll have this button clicked, and we'll get people to do something, and it looks like there's still nobody. Wow, 2 concurrent viewers, and like no one's typing anything. Why? Please engage with me. Okay, so now I'll go back to the routes. Here what I'll do is I'll what should I do? I'll just edit and then edit config. Actually, I don't like this, but okay, I'll see what I can do about this. And I'll just call it edit config. So this will be edit config path with config as the button. And then if I hover over here and you look at the URL that is coming, you know, the downside on the bottom left side, you'll see that, you know, that's admin edit config /1. If I click on it, nothing happens because I haven't made the method in that admin controller, but still. So what I'll do is I'll just create that now. Edit at app config is equal to app config dot find params id, right? This is how we get the app config. And I also need like a view. I need to create a view. So in the admin folder, I'll go new file, press save. I'll be like edit.html.huml. Great. And here let's just first write what, just to check. I'll just write key and value, app config dot key, and similarly I'll just write app config dot value. Title show with site. Yeah, I think that's basically what I was looking for. I think I also need a BR tag, not NR, it's a BR. And when I add the BR tag, you can see that the key is there and then the value is below that. So that's good. Great. Now I need to create like a form for it, and then in the form I should be able to enter a new value for a configuration, because it's just an edit button. So, and I can't change the key for now. Let's just assume that I can't change the key for now. I can only change the value. So to do that, I'll probably create like a form with model app config, and then URL will be like, let's just don't worry about that for now. And then I have an F, and there's a form group over here which basically says f dot label for value, and then we have f dot input field, I suppose. Actually this will depend on the configuration's data type, but let's just assume we are making it only for the string for now. So this will also be a value, and then the class will be form control. Okay, let's just see if it works. Obviously it does not, because input field is not there, it's text field. What an idiot. Yeah, I can change stuff. Great. Let's just go to, let's say, articles index to copy this, and then I'll just paste it. Yep, looks much better. And then there's like a f.submit, which basically says update app config. We'll just call it save, and then the class will be btn btn success. That's the save button. And then I think on the header side we should have what we are editing. So I can just get a %h2 and like editing app config dot key, editing title. Yeah, but this looks a little weird. Yeah, I suppose that's good. Okay, and this is the key, and that is the value. And then we can change this value, and then we need to create, like, let's say, an update method in the admin controller. And what we'll do is, while we'll like app config is equal to, like, basically find this shit, and then the app config needs to update, and if it gets true we'll be like end, otherwise else. And the update, for the update, what we'll do is we'll create a private method, and then here in the ref we'll have app config params, and then params dot require, we'll require app config dot permit, and we'll permit only the value for now. Okay, and this is where we permit that stuff. And once we have this, what we'll do is redirect to admin path with notice. The notice will be configuration updated successfully. Is that correct spelling? Right? Okay, I'm going to waste time just trying to Google, or actually search the word successfully, and I think it's correct. Okay, and if it doesn't, then I'll just render edit, and I'll have alert, please try updating again, right? And do we have everything? No, we also need this thing for put. Okay, and then yep, and I believe now we have everything. But invalid route name already in use, edit config, you may have defined two routes using, or you may be already okay. For the latter, you can restrict routes created by resources. Okay, fine. So I'll just remove this shit, and instead of edit, it will go to update, and this works. Instead of Shobhit site, I'll just be like one person watching only, smiley. Okay, nothing happens. Why did nothing happen? Because my computer froze. Oh, it did not. Did? I don't know. Okay, put is there, but patch is not there apparently. That's the problem. App configuration updated successfully. Only one person watching. Only one person watching. Oh, we have two people now. The moment I change this value, we have two people. Okay, so I'll change it again. I'll make it two people watching, but without any chat. Good. And Vinesha just writes more welcome. Wow, great. The moment I write anything, you're just going to go opposite to that. Great. But with, I just write one chat. Okay. So the point is, when you're updating the title gets updated here and here, and basically that is the configuration that we are using all across the app. So the great thing about this is, now that we have a functional let's say configuration, what we can do is like, let's say, add more of these, and our app then picks those configuration up, and then that's like sort of customizable. And there's your no code movement, guys. All right. Great. So what I'll do next is I'll commit this shit. Git status. What did I change? Edit. Okay. All right. So git diff. I added update. I added params. Great. I added the edit button. Okay, nice. I added two links. Nice. In the navbar, and I added routes. Great. So I'll just be like git add dot git commit -m. And what do I need to add the commit message as? The commit message will be added a way to make update. I was deleting it. How did I press enter? Do you know how to change the message of a commit? Vinay, do you know this? Please help me out. Oh, I can search. Change the commit message of last commit. Changing a commit message. On the command line, navigate to the repository that may contain the commit you want to amend. Git commit amend. Oh, okay. Is that it? Yeah, cool. So I just need to write git commit amend. Okay, added away. Nice. Okay, added a way to update the app configuration. And git log, what does it say? Added away. And Vinay did not even comment. Why, Vinay? Why? Okay, git push origin master. Great. So the next thing that I should do is let's say add a couple of more what configurations. So first I'll go to app config. Let's see what stuff can I do. Among things that we have, what all things can we change? It's mostly the UI that people want to change, but we can probably have some something around the workflow as well. But okay, let's see. Let's try to do something around the UI, like around the CSS files. So first I want to understand how do the CSS files work here. So from what I know, they get compiled and then they get transferred and stuff. So how do we do that right now? So for Rails, get CSS get value in CSS file from database. Is there a way to do that? From DB to CSS file, 2011 is like so old, and then 2019, hopefully. Hey. But I think I only need that at the starting of the thing. during compilation is what I want. This should be at the compilation end. So whenever we're compiling this thing, the value should come from database. एक कुड़ी जिदाना मोहब्बत गुम है गुम है गुम है. I don't think this is what I want. Or do I? What these guys are doing is they're saying that, you know, create your own asset this thing, and then during the compilation stage, you compile it, you upload it, and then but that's a lot of work that I can't do in, let's say, the next 30 minutes. So let's just try to figure out. Okay, so there are like a few things that I'm seeing. One is you have like another CSS file, which is basically generated when you make a call. To get that, it's basically like a controller. But the problem is that with that is that, you know, bootstrap colors, that is the point that I want to fix. Like the variables that are there in bootstrap colors, I want to change those. And if I even make, let's say, a different CSS file just to override those, it's going to be a lot of work. I'm essentially rewriting bootstrap. So instead of doing that, what I want is I want to pick those variables from database during the time of compilation. All right. Okay, can I do that in Sass? Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah. Raise Sass variable from database. Okay, a bunch of people have asked this question. Sass is what you need. So from what I know, Sass does not take, let's say, every time the app will be deployed, it will not call the database. What it will end up doing is I will need to sort of put in a value in that variable, and then that will do. But what I want is a user can, once the app is live, a user can theoretically make changes to it, and then can do that. Let's see. Right, technically it is possible, but it affects performance badly. There are alternative options. Style sheet in the view. No. CSS to CSS, and it will work as usual. Next example uses we define constants module to set CSS properties. It is also possible to generate color code dynamically instead of using constants, or give it in a different manner that suits you. ERB code within Sass.erb files will behave pretty much like ordinary ERB code in Rails view. The only difference is that it will be executed during Sass compilation, but not each time Rails action fires. Yeah, technically this is what I'm looking for, but I'm just trying to figure out, can I do that? Resolve your issue. Okay. This is the hard problem that I'm stuck at. Sadly, it's not supported. Interoperable. I can use ERB is what I'm trying to figure out. So what I will do is I'll just go to my my JavaScripts folder. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, style sheets application.css. What I'll do is I'll create a new file and then I'll be like save it as something .scss.erb. Okay, and let's add import. Oops, dot some dot slash something, and it says failed to compile because I can't use ERB files in Webpack, right? Rails Webpacker ERB files. Apparently I can using ERB. Nice. Okay, if this works, great. Oh, Rails ERB loader लगाना पड़ेगा बस. That is it. Where is it? To add ERB support in your JS templates, run bundle exec Rails. Okay. On a Rails app already set up with Webpacker, and add extension ERB to your webpacker.yaml file. Okay. I'll do that. Okay, a bunch of shit is happening. Nice. Let's see. Okay. Oh, oops. I'll just add extension ERB to webpacker.yaml. Okay, webpacker.yaml. Extensions ERB I've already added. Great. Let me just see what happened. Git status. Okay, a bunch of shit happened. Okay, in the config webpack we have a loaders this thing. Okay, webpack we have loaders where we have an erb.js which loads this. Okay, no problem. I don't have a problem with that. Okay. Oh, compiled successfully. Oh my goodness, really? Okay. So I'll do body just to test it out. Background, let's say color. I'll just call it %% is equal to, and this will be what? I'll just make it 0 0 0 f1 2 2 2 2 3. Okay, and then I'll do this. And should it come? It should compile now. If it does, nothing like that. Okay, compilation has started taking a lot more time than required. Interesting. This did not work. Okay, I think I should check out the hello.js, hello erb.js. I did the same thing, no? this is what I'm looking for. Okay. Okay, so I just need to add Sass ERB here. Where is it? It's in the loaders. Okay, I'll paste. I'll just make it sass erb.js. Okay, I did the first part. Now I need to do the second part, which is basically prepending before erb file. In what? Which file? Environment.js. Okay, environment.js. Okay, nice. Sass erb, but I need to require it first. So to require it, I'll just call it sass herb. Okay, we are just 1 minute away from fixing this shit. Okay, this is sass.sass-erb. Okay, fail to compile नहीं होना चाहिए अब की बार. It still failed to compile. Although not extensively tested. Sass loader error when attempting to pass the ERB syntax in my Css file. Seems that Sass loader is trying to run before ERB has a chance to convert it. Any ideas? I see now that the solution doesn't work if the scss.erb file is imported from another scss file. Okay. Oh my god. Maybe I'm understood, but it seems that the ERB loader forces itself in front of the chain. But the Sass loader still needs to be okay with the fact that the file might end with .erb. Okay. It's not working, guys. It's not working. Please send me likes. Or at least chat. Be like Vinay. Vinay is sending me texts. Okay. As per this, it should have worked. The problem is that this is invalid CSS. It says it's invalid CSS. Okay, and I kind of agree that it's invalid. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Okay, this should compile. Great. So what I'll do is, and now it failed to compile. Oh, but I made some changes, no? Did I restart the server after that? I think I did. Yeah, I did. It still says failed to compile. This is so frustrating. Anybody has any clue? Please, I'm all ears. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do. Sass.js. It says ERB here, which is exactly what I'm using. Okay. Mm, it's not working. It's not working. Okay, as you can see, this is my approach. Just randomly clicking random links and wait, what did I install? Webpacker install ERB. That's what I did. No? Okay, I think I need to understand how the whole shit works. Okay, set Sass variables from controller. Thanks, Vinay. Hi, Amish. Hello. Uh, okay, Vinay has sent me something, and I need to use that. I need to see how that works. So what I'll do is I'll sneak peek, show you guys, what it looks like to me, and just okay. I'm a noob. Okay, I don't know where shit is. I think it's here. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Vinay is sending me something. Has sent me something, and I want to see that. But where is my chat? Where is it? Where is the chat? अरे chat कहाँ गई? Stream settings? No. No. अरे I used to have a live chat over here. Is this it? No. I'll go back to manage. Okay, even this is not it. Noob OP guys, noob OP. No, I want to edit this. I don't want to edit this. I'm looking for the chat button. Where is it? Damn it. Maybe I can open this thing and then I can see that chat. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll copy and open my own video so that I can get this chat message that Vinay has sent. Got it. Thank God. Okay, so yeah. Set Sass variable from controller action in Rails. Interesting. I think this could this could this could actually work. I don't know. This is actually what I'm looking for, but it's not working. Okay. Alright, so then I think we'll go with what Vinay has suggested, and what we'll do is just remove a bunch of stuff. I need to remove what? App, JavaScript, style sheets, something.css, and then I'll remove app, JavaScript, packs, and then hello, and also need to remove config webpack, and here in loaders and Sass, and then in the environment.js I need to remove this and this, and I need to just make sure that it works. Yeah, noob OP. Okay, it did not work because we still have that add something over there, but I believe it worked. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do. Okay, so I guess this was a failure, waste of time, but at least we did we were able to at least edit the title from here. Git status. What is the difference that we have? Git diff. I don't know. Okay, so I'll git commit for now, and I'll just added ERB support for Webpacker, and we'll put it. Oh, oops, git add dot, and what I'll do is I'll park this for maybe after a little bit of research, and then come back to it, and I'll just git push origin master. And trust me, next time when I see you, which will be next Sunday, next Sunday is what, 13th of December. Yeah, so the next time that I see you, I will have an answer to how to change color just while sitting here and going to the edit button and then changing the color. Okay, so I think, yeah, that's my time today. Thank you so much for joining in, Amish, Bharti, Vinay, hi mama, and I think a bunch of other people joined, but they did not add anything in the chat, so I don't know who you are, but I'll find you and I'll kill you. So thank you so much for joining. Hopefully I'll see you next weekend. Please like, share, subscribe, blah blah blah, notifications, blah blah blah, right? And in the meanwhile, if you have anything, you want to ask me anything, you can just tweet. My Twitter is @Shobhitik. I'll just write over here as well, so it's visible all the time, you know, @Shobhitik, like this is the @Shobhitik, the @Shobhitik, you know, this is my Twitter handle. I can open my Twitter profile over here as well, and you can just ask me anything over there. It's never a waste of time. You learn everything. You search something. Vinay, what a line, man. You're so nice. Yeah, this is my Twitter profile. If you have any question or you want to say something to me, my DMs are open. And hopefully I'll see you guys next weekend. Bye bye. I'll just try to end stream now. Again, noob OP, right? Like, I don't know how that shit works. So your stream will stop immediately. I think, yes, that's what I want. Cool. It stopped.